This is the Realme A17, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can check how much internal storage you have on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then enter the About Device category, and over here you'll have the respective field for internal storage that will say not only how much or how many gigabytes you have as for the phone memory in general, but what part of it is currently occupied, which is in my case 26.3 gigabytes used out of 64. If you would like to see a more detailed breakdown, just tap at this little section that says storage, and at the following page you'll see the detailed breakdown on which category of things occupies what part of your memory. So that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.